Okay guys, this is Anthony from XXXRC Garage, and you're looking at the Mancho 6x6 rock crawler, which is basically an SCX10. Well, it's getting ready to get a conversion. This thing has been around for quite a long time, and well, I have a new body coming for it, so this is coming off. And cut this wire right here, tie strap. I guess I need to get inside this balloon here. And cut all these wires that I've had in here for a long time. Tie strap. And okay, so put this, should be the light bar that goes in there, and I'm not sure. Oh, this is a three-way wire. Okay, took a long time, guys. So, let me take the balloon off. Now, balloon's an old school thing. Balloon's an old school thing you do to your receiver, your radios, or your receivers, so that you didn't get them wet and get them ruined. So that's for the light bar. I'll take this off and move this out of the way. And well, here it is, the 6x6. So what's going to be happening is I have a new body coming. It's going to go all the way back to about here, and I'm probably going to have to reconstruct all this stuff here, but there it is. She hasn't been disassembled for at least 3 or 4 years, and now it's getting a makeover. So it's ready for its new conversion. So I'm going to move some stuff out of the way. Move this way over here, and I'm gonna have to go pick up the new stuff for it, and then we'll put it back together with a new look and attitude. Anyway, that's it for now. Stand by. Okay guys, this is Anthony here. Just picked up the Tamiya King HAULER body, and so just doing some rough mounting right now, and I decided to use Velcro, and I built some stands for it so this body could just Velcro on if I need to work on something, and then come back off when I don't. So, and I used some stock polystyrene back here. It covered this opening back here. I mean, this truck comes in pieces, and you could buy parts to your blue in the face. I'm going to be making some things like these barrels, scale barrels I've got. I'm painting them black, and I'm going to make them into fuel tanks. I mean, I did get this part here. This is the grill, the headlight buckets, the air cleaner, and smokestacks, which I think I have to extend them out myself. Wiper blades. I did not get the windshields and stuff, which I figured I could use some clear plastic that I have here and make my windshields, because all I'm going to do is put windshields here, maybe a little piece here. I'm going to leave these open. So that's pretty much my idea. I mean, it's going to be a crawler. It's not going to be a show truck. But it's going to be, I want it to look wicked, so that's part of it. I don't believe I'm going to be putting smokestacks, air horns up here. I'll probably be body filling these holes here. And but a few things I'm doing to it. This kit did come with a sun visor for here, which I'll probably put on for now, but I'm going to get some aluminum and make my own and do more of an outlaw look on here. So this is it so far, guys. I'm not sure how I'm going to run this in segments as far as video goes, but we'll figure it out. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, Anthony here from XXRC Garage. So I used part of a roof rack, made some mesh for the background here. Probably going to be taking this off, painting this black. I'm not sure what color yet we're going to do the truck, but just doing a recap here. I did everything with Velcro. I just got the fuel tanks kind of like flopping right now with some duct tape until I figure out exactly that's where I want them at. I also put some sliders on here too for like steps, and I'm going to do some more modifications here. So, and of course the back. So stand by for more. Okay guys, just gave her first coat of paint, stuck it back on her, see what it's going to look like. I'm going to accent all the exhaust pipes and grill and stuff all in black, sun visor too. So stand by for more.